Well, take me on a date first.
We tried that one time.
Don't remind me.
You had a child and you left us. Where have you been for the last 22 years?
You think you're the only one I can have children with?
Don't say it.
I just did.
Oh, Lord.
Why do you think they call me the clown breeder?
I knew parts of you looked familiar.
You've seen all my parts, so they should all look familiar.
I'm speechless for the first time. I need you to meet your daughter. Can you do that for me?
It depends.
All right, Mr. Mendez.
It's Melendez. Not Menendez.
HR sent me up here. I put in a request to meet with you. I have my DNA results, and... Father? Yes. Yes.
You.
I'm your son. The one you sent away. The one that's been gone for 15 years. I'm back in Spicy Hydrant, and I want to be part of the family.
Spicy Waterfall. And I'm also shocked that there's a DNA test as part of our benefits package. But nevertheless.
Well, I think we should upgrade Spicy...
False.
Thank you. To Hydrant. It has more of a zing, and has so many things I want to bring to the factory, and to the family, and to this town.
If you're my son,
Yes.
and boy, it seems like a good thing.
Thank you.
He tests him with this confession.
I need to tell you something then, son. It's been weighing on me for so long. I wear my sunglasses at night. So I can. It started when I was just a youngster, you know. Kids doing what kids do, you know, they run around and they put on glasses at night. But then I saw over on the other side of the room there were these dark sunglasses, and I said, well, nobody's ever done that before. And I ran over, I frolicked over, and my dad said, don't go there, don't do it. And I said, I have to, and I put them on, and it was magical. From then on, wore my sunglasses at night. I wrote a pop tune about it. But that's why you have to know that I'm a unique individual. And I'm a special kind of person who only wears the sunglasses at night, so I can.
And now a word from our sponsor, the nation's top trade school for Easter decorating.
I thought Easter was just a day off.
I eat paint chips.
I could never taste the color blue.
Until I found Beater Easter, the technical school to learn all about Easter.
They have so many interesting classes, like Weaving 101.1.
Peeps, are they food or poison?
How to scare your children with the Easter Bunny.
How to cook with hard-boiled eggs.
And so much more.
Now I know. Easter means something.
Yeah, now I yell at clouds.
Now I don't fall asleep during lovemaking.
Thank you, Eater Beater School of Learning How to Easter.
So you see, I wear my sunglasses at night.
Thanks for sharing. I wear mine at night too. Dad?
Just like my chip off the old block, huh?
Yes.
Well, let me tell you something. I might be a black sheep in this family, but if you're my son, I need you to do something for me.
What? I am the rebel.
Jolene,
Father.
your mother. Say hello.
Mommy, mommy, mommy! You're my mommy, mommy, mommy!
This is what I'm talking about.
Hold her.
No, I don't become a mother to baby children. I become a mother to breed clouds.
I'm 28! Mommy, mommy, mommy!
You know what? That would be a good bit for a clown. Mommy, 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 mommy.
We are glad that you left. And whatever you did between then and now, we don't want to know. We want you out of our lives forever. After you pay us to be silent.
Well, I do have one way I could pay.
I don't want any more children.
Mommy, mommy, mommy! For mommy, mommy, mommy?
That's more like it. Maybe you are my child.
Trust me, mommy, 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 I'm all yours!
All right, shut up! Listen to the plan.
Wait. Choose.
Oh, good Lord! That's like choosing between... Oh, good Lord, no!
Penelope, I know she's in the factory here.
Well, I'm still writing a list that Father, and I call him Father now, when he asked me to write. Yeah, I call him Father. I don't call him Mr. Menendez anymore, because I'm more than a helper.
You're my sister. You're my favorite sister.
Yeah.
But look at the picture. Look, it's Bornia. Mother.
Oh, God!
Mother, it's been so long.
Mother, move, Miss Payne. I'm the smart one. I'm gonna inherit everything from this rodeo company. You abandoned me and my brother.
Shut up!
I slap very softly, but it's powerful.
Look, you did all that talking, but you said one good thing, and that was inheriting all the money.
Yes,
Mother.
I am, because he's my brother, but he's worthless.
No, I'm not worthless. I'm worthful. Mother, I have this picture of you.
I just got back from HR and I met Dad. Mom, it's gonna happen. I'm going to be brought back into the family and to the factory.
I've got another brother?
Yes, it's me, Carmine.
Mommy! We're all together now!
Another
We're
sister?
people.
Thanks for meeting me at the factory break room.
Thank
I've been
you.
watching you on the floor.
How close were you watching?
Very.
Flashback.
my late father.
Pardon me.
Mr. Melendez, we need to talk.
Yeah, I think we do.
We have something in common.
Go on.
Besides you looking a lot like me,
Yes.
we were with the same woman. I have a child with your baby's mama.
Are you saying what I think you're saying?
I hope I'm saying what you think I'm saying. If I got it wrong, there's hell to pay. Next time, don't chew on the ear so hard.
Listen. Are you talking about Melborna, the famous clown person? Well,
Melborna, Mother, thank you for
No, Melborna.
Melborna, thank you for letting me bring you into this stock room. I know it's creepy, but I wanted to tell you, you've been on my mind for so many years, and
Oh, God, cut the soft, feely crap. What is it?
I know that you've done strange things with animals and that's your life. And I never doubted you for a moment. I didn't know to doubt you. But now you're in my life again. I feel whole. You're a wonderful person. I want to idolize you. I want to be like your mother.
God, you must get those feelings genetically from your father or something. I swear, all you children are so needy.
Carrying a picture around.
Father,
yes.
I've been doing what you said,
Great.
and I've been following Mama Melborna around town.
Okay.
And she apparently has given birth to a lot of people. But I met her. She knows I'm going to inherit everything. I let it slip. I let it slip that I was getting everything because I deserved it, and I told her Brisbane was an idiot. And now I think he's trying to get on her good side. So, Father, I need your help for once. I need your help to kill my brother. Yes, I'm asking you to kill your son.
Well, thank you for meeting me here. Shocked you didn't bring your sunglasses with you.
I've only told that to one other person.
Well, I mean, when we conceived those children, you also were wearing sunglasses. So, I just want to know, why didn't you think to include me on any of the money? Those children are of my blood. I helped produce them. Shouldn't I get my fair share?
Melborna, you don't understand how you broke my heart. You've slept with so many men. You've had so many children. I didn't know what to do, and I racked it out, Melborna. I loved you so deeply.
Then why did you fuck me with sunglasses on? You couldn't even look me in the eye! Am I that hideous to you?
It made me last longer.
So it was you! You spared me! I have no value! I have nothing in this world to look up to except my father, and all he does is slap the crap out of me! Please, Mother, give me a reason to live!
Okay! Listen. If it's any consolation, you totally embody the type of person I was trying to breed.
I am...
A clown. Honk, honk.
Brisbane, I need you to listen to me. As your brother.
You are my brother.
You are my brother. Brother. Yes. Now, I've heard from the clowns that your sister has a hit out on you. And we've got to work together, and we have to take her down.
What did I do?
This is what
Nothing
he
as
did.
usual.
This is what he did.
I know what it is. I have a confession. I'm a closet MAGA Republican. For years, I've tried to come off as the innocent, trying to please everybody. Back and forth and back and forth. But I'm done with that. There isn't a place for other people besides myself and people like me. It's time for a cleanse.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
I don't want siblings. Oh, I want it all.
Well,
And now, a word from our sponsor. It's everybody's favorite music compilation album with all songs about acne.
It's on my face.
On your face!
Sits
On my face!
Sorry we didn't see us out there.
We were so busy singing our favorite songs.
Well, song's all about zits.
Acne is so in now.
Pizza pie on the face. Wow, you know, I wonder if there's some way that we could have all those songs in one place.
Guess what, Phil?
Oh,
There is!
Rhonda, tell me.
Look! It's a compilation
Oh,
album!
275 songs all about
Zits!
Oh, look, there's one of my favorites right there. It's going to pop.
Your face is locked. It's gonna pop. Pop. Face is locked. It's gonna pop. Pop. I don't want any slop, but the face is gonna pop. Pop.
Takes me back to puberty.
I know. And look at this one, Phil. Acne is everything.
acne, it's everything.
Everything.
It's in this year.
Yeah.
I'm pimply red from my head to my toes, and it's gonna be a pimply year.
That one got me through high school.
Oh, I can just imagine. Wait. Oh, look. Thank God for Clearasil.
The holes on my face you fill. Oh, try to thrill. Get chill down my spine with
There's so many on there. How does somebody get a hold of an album like this?
It's so easy.
Tell me.
All they have to do is send a money order for $422.83 to P.O. Box 577, Truth or Consequences, New Mexico.
And tell them what they'll get as a bonus if they order right now.
If you order in the next 35 minutes, you get a free 8-track tape with all 275 songs.
8-track?
Yeah!
Oh.
Well, you know what they say, with acne, you've always got a facial problem.
And that's why I want it all for myself.
Thank you for meeting me at the spicy Waterfall's all-gender Turkish bathhouse.
I'm a regular here.
I thought this would be a good place because I need your help. Yes, I'm the town helper, and I help my father a lot.
I've met your father.
Yeah, I get to call him father now.
Flashback to meeting her father.
Oh, excuse me. Sorry, I didn't mean to bump. Is that a carrot in your pocket? Oh, it is. I'm sorry. We're feeding the bunnies.
It's been around town that you're good at slapping, especially your daughter.
Do me a favor. Look at me.
Excuse me.
But what?
From across the room. Back. How was that?
Oh, you're good. I need those slaps. I need you to take out my brother Brisbane. Brisbane.
Do you know I'm the father of your half-sister? Does that make sense?
I think I do, but there's so much to remember.
If I get rid of your brother, will you bring my daughter into the fold?
Oh, you mean money-wise?
Yes, of course I mean money-wise.
God, you're good. Those slaps can kill my brother from a distance. And that's what I need. I need you to hit him from a far distance. I want... Oh.
Father?
Brisbane,
Father, I met my mother.
which one?
The rodeo clown. And she's wonderful. She's everything that I thought she would be. Look, I've got the picture and she's my everything.
That's her.
She's everything, Father.
Brisbane,
Father?
put the picture down. I have some unsettling news for you. Look. I don't like you.
Father, that's okay. Father, that's okay. You don't have to like me.
Look, Brisbane, I have another son. And I think I prefer him over you.
I hear your father has 2 sons. Which one do you want me to slap to death?
Brisbane, the dumb one, the one that carries my mom's picture everywhere and tries to show people. Like it's a big deal to be the son of the town clown whore. can you use your famous triple slap? The fatal triple slap. You're gonna do it.
I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna save it for him.
I'll start!
Grandfather Jupiter. Why are you calling me that, yes?
I'm not quite sure.
Just come and step down to spicy waterfall scenic lover's leap.
I think we have a mistaken identity.
I've heard from the rodeo clowns that you like to slap, and I like to be tied up. So maybe we could just do a little on the side. Grandfather, please. I'm a rebel. I want kinky and new things. I want to try different stuff. Just give it to me.
How much does it pay?
Well, I am going to be part of the family, and I'm moving up. HR says so. So I should be able to pay you. $125?
Mommy!
Jolie, look. I was wrong. I thought breed clowns, make money, get loose. They're all idiots. All of them.
But you have me, Mommy!
Well, yes, Jolene, you're the only one who has actually lived up to the clown name. Although that MAGA guy's pretty damn close. Jolene,
Yes, Mommy!
I want to teach you my villainous ways.
Oh, Mommy, I can aspire to that.
Look, you don't... I know I'm evil and sick! But you don't deserve this. You and I'm going to protect you. I'm going to look at you as my actual daughter. And you and we're going to get the money in this goddamn rodeo family and remind them that that's what it's about!
I am your actual daughter, Mommy.
Yes, I know!
Just a little reminder there, Mommy.
I know, but I don't look at my other blood children like real children again. They're just cows in a herd that I bred.
I don't do.
Yeah!
No cow.
You honk honk!
That's right. I'm a
Shut
cow.
up, honk honk, honey!
Honk,
Thanks for coming up to my office. I wanted to make sure we were all on the same page. As far as I know, this is all of the people involved in wanting to kill my idiot son.
Hold on.
That would be me, Dad.
Yes.
That was my idea. It's the best thing to help this company.
That's right.
Is to get rid of the idiots.
Yes.
I don't quite know who this tall person is, but I can't...
Sorry, introductions. This is your brother. This is my rival lover. His grandfather, and I think we're clear.
The DEA test has not come back yet. I'm not officially his grandfather.
Yes, you are, Grandpa Jupiter, you are. The DNA test at HR says you are.
It's not. I have a daughter. I have a past lover, and possibly a future lover. I'm not quite sure. I just don't have any grandkids.
But he is known for his slapping power, Dad.
Yes. I understand you slap the crap out of people.
He can give Brisbane a quite painless death with his triple slap from afar.
Yes.
I've experienced it myself, and it's a little exciting.
Father, are you in your office?
This is the guy I'm talking about. Oh, yes, come on in, Brisbane. Yes. Yes.
I left something in the bathroom.
Okay, yes, go, by all means.
What?
I'll be back. Let's go.
Father?
I need to go to the bathroom too.
Father? Oh.
Yes.
Something's going on in there.
Something exciting.
That was the start. He's still alive.
Okay, Jolene, listen.
Yes, mommy, mommy, mommy.
It's our time to shine and acquire the money that's been ours all along. There's going to be a big rodeo convention.
Here in Spicy Waterfall?
Yes, in Spicy Waterfalls. And we're actually, practicing your routine here at the Spicy Waterfalls High School Gymnasium.
Honk, honk, honk.
And here's the thing.
Yes, mommy, mommy, mommy.
Here's her confession that she needs to share.
Jolene, there's one thing I need to tell you before the big day. I spend more money than I make. It's why I breathe. Can't keep up with my lifestyle, but I can sexually. And I've tried everything. Excel spreadsheets, Google spreadsheets, handwritten charts. I can't grasp the concept of a budget. But that's what this rodeo is gonna do. It's gonna turn everything around. We're gonna make a name for ourselves. We're gonna retain all the money in this godforsaken family. And I won't have to be the town rodeo slut clown whore anymore.
And now a word from our sponsor. Part cat litter box, part roller skates.
Gee, I'm so happy that I have a human litter box to shit in. But sometimes I just want to roller skate.
I feel so free with my roller skates all the time, but I got nowhere to take dump. What a dilemma!
It sounds like you two have a dilemma.
Oh, who are you?
Well, I just live outside in the alley. But maybe I could recommend something to solve your dilemma.
Oh, please do.
What?
It's called skate and shit.
Again?
Well, absolutely. Skate and shit.
Skate and shit? How does it work?
Well, absolutely. All you have to do is fill your kitty litter into your skates, go out, skate, and take a shit. It's that easy.
Look, I'm getting to skate and shit at the same time.
Oh my God, I get to speed up even when I have the runs.
That's right. So remember, if you want to be a big hit, make sure that you wear skating shit.
I promise I'll make it up to you. I'll be able to fund a life that you never got to have. I don't give a shit about those other kids that are my so-called children. Again, cows in a herd, that's all they are to me. But you're gonna go up there with your razzle-dazzle and show them what our rodeo products, what our clown nose,
Honk, honk.
honk, is really made of.
Yes, mommy, mommy, mommy. We will.
Mr. Melendez, may I call you by your first... Oh, excuse me. May I call you by your first name? Cornelius.
Only my mother used to call me Cornelius. Go ahead, yes. You heard me.
Are we going to tell our children that we're perhaps thinking about an alternate lifestyle? Not that we've done it yet.
We're going to. It's pretty obvious.
Thank God, I thought it was just me.
When I saw you in the bathhouse, I thought, sure.
You were the one with sunglasses.
That's right. And you noticed how long I lasted because of it.
I remember it like it was this morning.
It was this morning. Look, I know this is awkward for us because we've been rival lovers and now we're going to be actual lovers.
Should we try to get our children's permission?
Yes, I think that's probably good.
Thank you for meeting me at the bridge in Spicy Waterfalls.
Are you talking about the drinking bridge?
Oh, no, over the Spicy River.
Oh,
Can you see me leaning on my wall?
I got rid of my drink, I'm sorry.
I've got word that my brother Brisbane is still alive. He's dragging himself around town with welts on his face, but he's still alive. I also got wind that you're going to start screwing my dad, but that's okay.
Let's get back to the first one. Your brother will be done in phases. That was phase 1. Phase 2 will be the lower body and the middle body. Now, as long as your father...
Hey, are you doing the whole skating shit? That's awesome.
There's so many industries coming up in this town other than the rodeo.
Maybe we need to talk somewhere different than this bridge.
Thank you for meeting me at the Spicy Waterfall Chipotle. Mom, I've heard it in the back alleys and from the clowns. We're trying to unionize, you know. You want all...
Flashback. Back alley of the
Yeah, well, we've all decided we don't need you. We're taking you down. Rebellion's in my heart, and rebellion's with what I'm leading. We're taking you down, and we're going to make this factory and this family rise without you and all your spawn, including me.
Spicy Waterfall Gym, high school gym. This is where the convention's gonna be. My mother's gonna be here, and my brother. Maybe someone will tell me why they beat the shit out of me.
Oh, so glad you made it. How's your training going? You are going to be our new clown in the barrel. We're going to dress you as Trump. We're going to put a red hat on. We're going to put a blue suit and a red tie, and we are going to beat the shit out of you.
Make carnival's great again.
Yes. Now you have something to do, since you have nothing to do with this family.
But you're my brother. Why don't you be nice to me for once?
This is brotherly love.
Oh, God.
The big event will start very shortly, my daughter. But there's something I must tell you first.
Yes, Father.
I
Please
remember-
don't slap me first.
You could slap me.
Down the hall to the left, the men's room, 15 minutes. Do you remember when I promised you that I would get you another mother someday?
Yes.
I'm gonna have to break that promise.
I have a mother, Father. I've met her. I've spoken to her.
Okay. I'm gonna get you another father.
Well, that's perfectly good. Does this one not slap?
I thought you liked the slaps.
Oh, good Lord, where did you get that idea?
Actually, all I wanted... Yes,
You're here at the event.
yes, we are at the event.
Is my brother half dead? Finish him off from over here. Finish him.
No!
Finish him.
No!
Father, you do love me.
I didn't mean it.
Yes! My plan is working! You're all gonna kill each other! And then Jolene and I will take what's rightfully ours!
But that was mine. That was mine for years of working for you, Dad. What happened? Slap him. Slap him.
No, I'm all done slapping. I'm the one who wanted to be slapped. That's all I ever wanted in life.
Oh, 15 minutes in the bathroom.
Look,
You can slap him.
I have an announcement to make. This is going to be a family business.
What?
We used to be rival lovers, but now we're actual lovers.
Started this morning
What?
with a towel and sunglasses.
I don't know if everybody here has met. I want to make sure we all know this is going to be a family-run business.
We're gonna do it together.
Well, yeah, that's kind of how you make it happen that way.
And I'll make all the lists, Daddy. Why are you still alive?
Because you're my family, and I live for my family.
No, this was never a part of the plan.
It's the way it's gonna work out now.
You're all just bred, excuse me. Didn't learn how to budget or how to say grammar goodly.
Now, Lorna, you are more than just a clown whore.
You're my mother.
You're your mother and lover and wife
Lover, too.
and daughter,
Yeah.
probably some sort of nephew.
You really think that? I'm a part of the family?
You are the family, Mommy. Without you, Mommy, there's no family at all. Haven't you noticed?
And to cement it, she confesses this.
I have something I have to tell you, family.
Oh, Jolene.
I don't wash my hands after using the bathroom. I find it repellent. I'm allergic to soap. Well, not soap opera so much, but soap. And I have to tell you that washing hands is highly overrated. All I ever need is to run them through my hair and everything's fine and dandy. And then I can prepare food for all of you. That's my confession. That's what I have to tell you. Don't let it ever go any further.
Well, it's just another day.
Here in
Spicy
Spicy Waterfall.
Waterfall.